when you see the words web hosting, it can mean a lot of different things. And I can appreciate why that might seem a bit confusing, because a lot of times that word web hosting, or phrase, it can mean lots of different things. It could just mean the space that's on a server where your website is hosted, where it's stored so it's available online all the time. And if you want the literal kind of interpretation, then that's what web hosting is. It's space on a server in a data center so that everybody who wants to get to your website can browse to it. What we tend to do when we're talking about website hosting, we're actually including a few other things in that factor. So we're often in that discussion, we're including your domain renewal. So if your website's mybusiness.com.au, and we might have registered mybusiness.com, as part of your website hosting package, we will be renewing those domain names for you. The next thing I want you to think about is site updates. Now by that I mean making sure that your WordPress website has the security patches and feature updates applied on a reasonably regular basis. Now we take care of that for you. If your website is not kept up to date and you're using WordPress or Joomla or some other content management system, it's a bit like not updating Windows on your computer. It's pretty much a matter of time till something goes wrong and your website starts sending out spam or gets infected by a virus or hacked into or something like that. We don't want that to happen, so we make sure that your site's updated and secure. Security and backups are also pretty important. So the servers that we use are a cloud type system, so they're distributed over a network of devices, and there's security and backups in place on there. And that makes sure that your website, even if something does go wrong, we can restore it pretty quickly. And to be honest, the chances of something going wrong are not very high anyway, because we make sure that we're fairly proactive. And yeah, okay, so sometimes things happen. You know, maybe you've edited a page and you accidentally delete it. It's okay, we can get that back. And finally, email. Now, it's well and good to provide an email service, and we do have online tutorials on how to configure your email. We can also help you over the phone. So if I need to talk to you, or we can do a remote desktop and log into your machine and help you connect that email up on your computer. So we're not just going to build you a website and go, okay, see you later, have fun, and leave you to it. We're going to be here as essentially your backup and warranty service, so that when you do have questions, or if something doesn't work out the way you like it, or maybe you just want us to do the changes to the website for you, or some search optimization, then we can take care of that. We don't expect you to be a genius. We do have step-by-step guides if you want to be doing a lot of the stuff yourself, or let us do everything for you. So we're not just a web hosting company, we're not just a graphic design business. We're providing you with a website that's maintained, secure, and that you've got someone to go to when you've got a problem or you want to have changes made to the website.